Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this video series to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia workers' compensation law. In it, I discuss the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to you under it. Today, I want to talk to you about whether you get a cost of living increase on your workers' compensation benefits. Now, if you've worked in a job somewhere, you know that many times, maybe once a year or more often, your employer might give you a raise. That raise could often be seen as a cost of living adjustment. And some benefits, like Social Security benefits, provide annual cost of living adjustments to those benefits. Generally, the idea is that those cost of living adjustments take into account that there's inflation in prices and that the price of bread and milk and gas goes up, and so you need additional money in order to buy the same amount of product that you could before. So do you get a cost of living adjustment in a workers' compensation case in Georgia? Unfortunately, the answer is you don't. Your workers' compensation weekly benefit is set by what you made at the time you got injured. They look at the 3 months before your injury, and they take an average weekly amount that you were making during those 3 months. They then pay you 2/3 of that average weekly amount up to a certain maximum rate. So whatever your benefit is determined at the time of your injury, that's what they pay you weekly. And whether you draw workers' compensation benefits for a week, a year, or 10 years or more, that weekly benefit rate never goes up. There's no cost of living adjustment that's put in to your weekly benefit to pay you for the fact that there's been inflation and that the price of goods and services has gone up. Now, this is unfortunate. I think there should be a cost of living adjustment in Georgia workers' compensation cases because many of my clients who draw workers' compensation benefits for some time find that it's extremely difficult to continue making it on that weekly benefit amount that may have been set 5 or 10 years ago. It just does not buy as much as it used to at the time that they got hurt. So I wish that there was a cost of living adjustment in Georgia workers' compensation cases, but unfortunately, under the laws that currently stands in Georgia, there's not. I hope you found this information about whether there's a cost of living adjustment in Georgia workers' compensation cases helpful. If you have, please let me know that by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got want other information about Georgia workers' compensation, you can view all the videos from my Georgia workers' compensation video series at our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. And you can also subscribe there if you want to be notified of future videos as I put them out. If you've got some specific questions about your Georgia workers' compensation case, I find the best way to get answers to those questions is through a free consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me about your case, I'd be happy to do that. There's 2 easy ways that you can get that free consultation scheduled. First is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen and speaking with someone from my office to get a consultation set up. Second is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.